There's more than one way to cup a back. Cupping therapy has moved beyond just putting cups on the back, pumping them tight and talking about so-called toxins. What you are seeing here is a cupping therapy method called functional release cupping. You see, I've been swimming, cycling and running, and I'm a bit jammed up. So Caitlin is working on getting me moving comfortably again. Just like traditional cupping, we place cups over areas that don't move as well as they should. My shoulders, for instance. They're a bit sticky and overworked. So Caitlin has placed cups in a specific pattern. Then she gets me to move. Each movement pushing the boundary just a little bit further. The tissues soften and normal, healthy motion returns. It looks like it hurts, but other than a bit of tightness and some prickling, it's pretty comfortable. And the results? Immediate relief. Backs, shoulders, legs, arms, abs, diaphragm. You name it, it can probably benefit from a bit of cupping. Ask us about incorporating some functional release cupping into your next remedial or sports massage.